Hi, my drone family and friends. I have a short review of a pair of pliers. And seeing I'm getting older, in 2 days I'll be 61. My hands are not like they used to be able to grip onto these motors and do the props. So I purchased a pair of Realacc motor grips. These little rubber pads here move up and down. You can move them around, shift them. It's solid metal construction. Fits just about any motor. They spring loaded for gripping, inexpensive, by Realacc, and you can purchase this at banggood.com. Nice construction to work well. Always handy to have it in your bag with you. You just stick it on your motor, hold on to it, and undo your prop. Release it. There you go. Change your prop out. In 2 days I'll be 61, so these come in handy with older hands. By Realacc, and you can purchase this in the link below on banggood.com. Inexpensive, and they work pretty darn good. Okay, everybody, you be safe out there in the world, and thank you very much for leaving a like and watching this video. Check out the link below, and I'll put the link in for where to purchase these. Thanks again, everyone. You take care.